Hope everyone is doing great. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vamshi this side. Today I'm here to explain you about Power BI tool. Hope my voice is audible for everyone.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay. So before starting the session, let me ask you a question. What basically you know about a Power BI?
Visualization report of any file.
Mhm.
Vamshi sir, this side Amit Ma.
Yes.
Vamshi sir, I would request if you record this session.
It's
Would it
already
be possible?
recording.
Okay, then. Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone else? What you all know about Power BI? No one? Hello?
Interactive visualization, sir. It is used for interactive visualization.
Sir, it's a visualization tool.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a visualization tool.
So for visualization purpose, we have Excel also, right? There also we can use the same like bar chart and everything.
This will
It's
be
a
like
mix
more
of
interactive,
One by one, one by one.
interactive kind of.
Okay, interactive kind of. Next,
it's a
If in
combination
case
of GU.
one by one.
Sir, Excel has limitation, but Power BI doesn't have, because Excel has certain limitation regarding graph and charts. If there are n number of graph and charts, so it is not able to, fetch the data or in a proper way. But Power BI is advanced, maybe.
So that means in terms of visualizations, you're saying it's upgraded version. You can get lot of
Yeah.
visualizations also. Okay, fine. So anyone more?
sir, if
It's
in
a
case
kind of
we
One by one, guys. Please understand. One by one. I guess
Also,
Abhishek.
please mute. Please
Abhishek.
mute everyone.
Abhishek.
Please.
Abhishek. Abhishek, you can continue.
No. I just asking that if when we are talking, then only we can switch on the mic. Also, we can make ourselves mute because a lot of people are saying or some background noises are there from background.
Fine then. Okay. So as you all said, Power BI is a visualization tool. Okay. And what is the major difference between Excel and Power BI is in Excel sheets, you can visualize the data in terms of graphs and everything. But you can have only a 90-degree view or else 180-degree view. Either you can see only the sale part of a graph or else discount part of a graph. That's all we can see. But when it comes to Power BI tool, here you can have a 360-degree view of your whole business. Entire 360-degree view of your business you can view from this Power BI tool. Clear? Difference between Power BI and Tableau? Sorry. Power BI and Excel. Now, when it comes to Power BI and Tableau, difference between Power BI and Tableau. So both are similar kind of a thing. Both are generated for visualization purpose only. But the major difference here is in terms of data. Power BI cannot access huge data. Power BI cannot access huge data. When it comes to Tableau, it can handle a huge content of data, and if you have very good knowledges on pivot tables, or else if you are good at knowledge of handling the data, then Tableau is better for you. The one who knows pivot tables as well as the data handling, they can go with Tableau. When it comes to Power BI, this you can take it for beginners, the one who is new to the world of a data. So if they want to visualize some data information or if they want to generate some reports, they can use Power BI because Power BI is very easy to use and it can handle very less data. Okay, that's the only differences between these three things. Clear this part? Is everyone clear till this
Yes.
part? Anyone have any doubts? One by one, if you have any
Yes.
doubts.
Sir, actually you said that Excel is a 90 degrees and 180 degrees view. This is
Mhm.
360-degree view.
Yes.
So what exactly it means by 360-degree view?
So if you want to see all your sales part, discount part, and what is the profits you have been gained for the month, what is the loss you have been done, how much discounts you have been provided, percentage of the discounts, which product got the highest profits, which product got less profits. These are all the things you can visualize at one particular part itself. Got it?
So you mean Power BI is having a lot of functionalities as compared to Excel?
Yes.
Okay. And one more thing, as compared to Tableau, you said that Power BI is having less data access. So since it's
Access
having
in
less
the
data
sense,
access, so
less data access in the sense, it can't handle the huge data.
okay, yeah, got it. But my question is that since Power BI is not capable to handle large amount of data,
Mhm.
then companies using Power BI,
It depends on the company people. Like just
okay, depends on project size, right?
yeah, just like I'll say a small example. Okay, while you want to watch the movies, okay, there is a normal theater and there is a high-end theater. Okay, the people who wants to
Okay,
see the picture in normal theater, they go with the normal theater, right? The same way, the one who wants to watch the picture in a big kind of a theater where the sound effects and everything will be good, they'll be choosing that. There is no such kind of thing that only this person should go here, only this person should go here. There's no fixed kind of thing, right? That depends on the customer choice. They can choose which of the theater they require, right? Yes or no?
okay. So power is
Hello.
That means Power BI will cost more, sir,
See, there is
to
no,
install or anything.
no. There is no such kind of things. Okay, that depends on the company structure. Okay? So there is no comparison in terms of a amount. Both the tools have free versions also. If you are going in that way,
Okay.
in Tableau as well as
yeah,
Power
we can
BI,
say that.
let me finish now. So Tableau as well as Power BI, both the applications are having a free version as well as pro versions. Coming to the charges, that depends on completely company standards. We can't expect the same thing for both the tools, right?
Correct.
And now we continue with your doubt.
So Power BI, yeah. So BI should use Power BI, right?
Who said BA should
Then who
use?
is going to use?
I'm asking a
Company
Then
requires.
question where I'm asking a question that who said you that BA will use this Power BI tool?
yeah, that is the question. Who is going to use this Power
Again,
BI?
I'm
That should be
asking
used by
you.
customer or BI?
I'm asking you a question here. Who said you that BA will be using Power BI? So as we know, the full form of BA, business analysis, right? BA. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Business analysis. Analysis in the sense we have to analyze the requirements of a client and we have to provide a solution, right?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So in this analyzing part, where we require this Power BI tool and Tableau tool, do we require? in analyzing the requirements, do we
No, we
have
don't
any
require
usage?
it.
It doesn't, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So please be clear in your mind that as a BA, business analysis, okay, in this kind of a role, we doesn't require this. There are some companies which are called, I guess you all are aware of, in training part, we have been given clarity to you. There are two different types of companies: product-based companies, service-based companies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, yes.
when you are applying for product-based companies, damn sure they'll ask you in-depth knowledge on Tableau, Power BI, SQL. Because the reason why they ask you in the sense, a single person should handle both the business analysis part as well as business analytical part. They will be in a mindset that why to hire two people? Why can't I hire a single person who can handle both my analytical part as well as analyst part? That's a mindset of product-based companies will be. So that is the reason when you see the JD of any product-based companies, they'll clearly mention that the candidate should have in-depth knowledge on Tableau, Power BI, SQL. Yes or no? Is there anyone who has seen the JD of a product-based companies? Hello.
Yes, sir. Dell, and HP,
Yes. They all ask.
Oracle,
Yes.
Oracle.
Microsoft.
Yes. Yes. They all ask you these tools. Okay.
Chip making
Yes.
companies actually.
Yes. Yes. The general mindset is like, for example, as a general BA, he's getting a 90,000 salary. Okay. Business analytical and analyst. Both two people is there. Both are getting 90 each. How much company is paying? There are two people. One is handling business analytical part. One is handling business analyst part. Imagine that both people are getting 90 each. How much does company is paying
1.8, sir.
per month? They're paying
1.8 lakhs.
1.8.
1.8.
So now, what company mindset will be is, why can't I save 80,000 here? Instead of paying 90 for one person, I'll make it 1 lakh for monthly payment. Okay. So now,
But
how much
then
have been saved?
both of them are having different roles. No, the BA is he's just reviewing and getting in contact with the stakeholders, and the analytics person is getting technicalities done. So both of them are doing different jobs.
That's what I'm saying. You, my mindset is this: I require a person who can handle both. That's the
Okay.
reason whenever a person who is applying for business analyst role in an product-based companies, they clearly mention that in interviews, do you have in-depth knowledge on SQL, Power BI, Tableau or not? Damn sure they'll ask you.
Okay, fine.
Okay, the hiring process will be in the same way. The JD, if you see, there will be a similar responsibilities for business analyst as well as analytical. But the questions what they ask you will be more on analytical part. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
I guess we got clarity till how much we require knowledge as a normal business analyst. That means analysis part. So most of the times we never touch this reporting tools because our process is analysis part. That means gathering a requirement from the client, analyze that, document it, model it, communicate it. This is what the exact thing as a business analyst we do. Okay, there will be some less situations like 2% or 5% out of 100. Client may ask us to show some reports. Okay, at that particular part only we use this. Only less chance. Got it? Clear? Okay. Till this part,
Yes.
everyone is clear. Still, anyone have any doubt?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
I have a question. Like this Microsoft BI can be integrated with the RPA tools.
Sorry.
Microsoft BI tool can be integrated with the RPA tool.
RPI in the sense?
Robotic process automation tools are there, right? This can be integrated with that.
No. How you can integrate with that?
In the sense, if this tool is used to create reports for that RPA, that can be integrated. Yeah.
If you have a data like Excel data, or else if you have any server information from your end, okay, so you can enter that server data and you can grab your data into this Power BI. That access is there.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so
Sir, can you repeat it, Sevan?
If you have any server information with you, okay, you can provide that server ID to this Power BI tool, and you can get your data for visualization.
Okay.
Source file, you can say source.
So we need a source file for this thing.
Yes.
Need source file.
If you want to get it from your server, you have to give the source name, right? Source number will be the source code. Okay.
It's a kind of like you have to drag it and drop it in BI tool, then it will be done, right?
No. I'll show you that how it will happen. Okay.
Okay.
So in this Power BI, the business people who have multiple businesses with them in multiple countries. So whenever they want to travel for different countries, okay, so they can't visualize the data from each location, right? So either he should have a system with him if he wants to visualize the data in Excel, right? Laptop or desktop, anything should be accessible. Yes or no? If he wants to access the Google data, or sorry, if he wants to access the Excel data in abroad countries, the one who is having a businesses in India, if he wants to access the data of the business, how it is happening, means he should have a laptop with him or else desktop with him. Then only it can be possible to view his business. But with this Power BI, okay, he can view the business from anywhere, from any country. Just he should have either mobile, either tab, either desktop, either laptop, anything he can have with him, and he can install the application in any kind of a device. Either it might be Android, either it might be iOS, any kind of thing it might be. He can install this Power BI application in the device, and he can just sign in, and he can visualize the report of daily basis on his business. Clear?
Okay.
So I have been given similar setup files. That means how to install your Power BI application and from where you can get it. These all the things have been clearly mentioned in this PDF. The moment I complete the session, okay, by today end of the day or by Monday, you'll get the recorded session to your registered mail ID as well as PDF. Okay. So data sets we can create here. Sorry?
We'll be sharing this document first?
Yes, with this PDF also we'll share recorded session. So you can see Power BI desktop, Power BI service, Power BI mobile, Power BI gateway. Okay, these are all the available versions in real time. So I have been given link here. If you click here, directly redirect to Microsoft account. Okay, from there you can download this application. Got it? So easy method, and everything I've been given is clear screenshots of to do and what to do. Okay, everything, each and every step until you get the tool. Till that time I've been given you. Okay, fine. So coming to the subscription, as I said previously, there are two types of versions. One is free version, one is pro version. So for getting a free version, you can come here and you can click on this option here, and you can get install your free Power BI tool. Okay. So the only difference between free versus pro means, if you're accessing with your free version of your Power BI, you will be getting a storage capacity of 1 GB. If it is a free account, the data you can store there is up to 1 GB. You can store your data. Okay. And you'll be getting a base version of the visualizations. You'll be not getting access with all the visualizations available in pro version. Some base version wise you'll be getting access. Just you can say partial access. Okay. And you can refresh your data. The moment you upload your data per day, you can refresh your data with 2 times. That means whatever the changes you have been made it after uploading the document, to save that, first you have to refresh the data. So, okay, so 2 times you'll be getting a refresh option. You can refresh your data. And when it comes to pro version, they'll be getting storage of 10 GB per account. Per account, they'll be getting 10 GB of data. Okay, and they can refresh it up to 8 times per day. So you can see here. So the data capacity limit for Power BI Pro is 10 GB as opposed to 1 GB limit for the free version. The global limit for the entire Power BI to tenant of organization is 10 GB multiplied by the number of user license purchased. Like for suppose they have purchased for 5 users. Okay, they'll be getting 10 GB for each. 5 means 50 GB storage capacity will be provided to them. Okay. So if you are going to have data greater than 1 GB, the Power BI service portal, you should subscribe for the pro version. Got it? Clear? Is everyone clear? If you want to purchase the pro version, I've also given the screenshot of that also. Okay. So every detailed information I've been mentioned in PDF. Okay. If you refer the PDF, more installation as well as anything. Clear? Is that clear, everyone? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
So let me guide you like how to pull the data and what all the data sources you can grab. So meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you can clarify your doubts regarding the Power BI. So give me some time. Let application open. I guess you all are having Microsoft account with you, right? Hello.
Sir, you were asking about which account, Microsoft in the sense?
When you buy a new laptop, it will ask you to create a Microsoft account, right?
Okay.
There is login account, right? Desktop
Yes.
login account.
Sorry.
Yes.
I mean, first instance, while you bought a brand new laptop, okay, to activate your Office 365, you have to create a Microsoft account, right? So if you want to see any kind of a videos, okay, they have been given sample videos here itself. You can click on this and you can know basic things. Okay. So when you work on recent times, you want to open recent documents what have been worked. You can get it from here itself, recent source. So if you want to get the data,
Sir, it is a Power BI homepage, sir.
yes. The moment you open your Power BI, this will be the front page. Okay. So here directly it gives some information to you, add to your report. Once loaded, your data will appear in the field span. Field span in the sense here. So by clicking here itself, directly you can get the data. Like Excel data, you can click on this and you can get it. If you have any data from SQL server, you can click on this SQL. Okay. So if you want to paste a blank or any kind of thing, you can click on this blank thing. Or else there is one more option here. If you directly go for get data, click on this get data and go for more options. Click on get data and click on more options.
More options.
Sir, I'm unable to see the screen.
What about remaining?
We can able to see, sir.
But please, that's not my error. So kindly reconnect again. The one who is not able to view my screen. If there is any issue with my end, remaining cannot also see, right? So please kindly rectify that. So I can see these are the other data sources where I can access text or CSV files, XML. Like this, plenty of options will be there. Oracle database, IBM, MySQL, IBM Info Mix database, Teradata database, SAP, Impala. So like this, plenty of options will be available. Okay. Clear? Google Sheets, Azure Databricks, Dataverse, sorry. So these all the options will be available. Right now I have an Excel file with me. So that's the reason I'll select Excel workbook here and I'll click on connect. So it will open my file. Okay, now it will ask me to choose the file where I want to visualize. So the moment it collects the data from your sample report, okay, it shows all the fields which are available in the sheet. So in my financial sample Excel file or Excel SX file, I have financial as well as sheets. So if I click on financials, it shows all the available information in that. Clear? So in the same way, if I unselect that and if I click on sheet 1, it shows only sheet 1 file. So here onwards, you can select which data you want to visualize. So right now, I want to go with only financials. So I will click on that and I'll click on load data. So again, it starts, evaluates your data. So my sheet has 700 rows. So now I have to go
Sir,
for,
where you have seen that?
it's shown, right? It has been wait for 3 seconds.
We have not seen that 700 rows are consist.
Right now, I can't show, right?
Okay, generally, as you know, you told 700 rows,
No,
or it has
calculates and
displayed
it
anywhere.
shows you. The moment you select your file to visualize, okay, it automatically evaluates your
Okay,
total data and it calculates
correct.
and it shows how many rows are available.
Yeah, got it, sir. We can see, sir, 700 rows.
Okay, so in fields you'll be getting all the data what you have been uploaded. Now if you come to report, okay, click on this report. So here it shows all the file which have been imported. So I've selected that. You see, it shows me all the things, right? Now for suppose, okay, I want to visualize my sales country wise. By default, it selected one visualization. You can see here. Okay, so now I want date wise. And month name, product, profit, so country is in x-axis and sale report is in y-axis, right? So you can see here, if I place on France, green line indicates November month, okay? So country name is France, month name is November, sales has been done is 21 lakhs 9,571.89. That's the total sales what they have been made. So what is the profit they have got is 2 lakhs 65,150.89 pice. So sale price is 16,058. Sorry. 1,658.
1658.
1658.
1658.
Okay. That's a France thing. On November month. So now if you go for October, so just I'm placing my mouse pointer on that particular line, okay. Again in November month, the sale price has been increased 3,316, right? And the profit
Correct.
also increased. So just I have been selected what I want from the right side, right? By defaultly, the system has been selected one visualization tool. So if you want to change the visualization tool, you can select it from here directly. Automatically it changes here. Got it? So if I want it as an funnel wise, if I want it as a table wise, I can also select the table. You can see first it shows all the Canada kind of a country. If I scroll down, France, Germany, Mexico. So country wise, it shows me all the things, right? Clear? Is it understood? Hello?
Understood. Understood.
And there is one more advantage for us with this Power BI is, can anyone say what is the full form of BI?
Business intelligence.
Business intelligence.
Business intelligence, right? What is the intelligence that been used here is, if you ask question to the system will answer you. If you ask any question to the system will answer your question. I'll show how it is. So just double click on the empty space, okay? Here I don't have anything here. Just double click on the empty space. So it's preparing a question and answer, okay? Clear? So if I want to show the maximum discount, if I click on maximum discount, see, it automatically shown, right? So now if I want to compare gross sale versus profit, just I'll click on that. So gross sale was done 12 crore 79 lakhs 31,598.50. Gross sale happened. And what is the profits they've got? So it's 168, sorry, 1 crore 68 lakhs 93,702.26 pice. So 1 crore 68 lakhs 93,702.26 pice of the profit they have been got so far. So do you have any questions to ask here? If you want to ask to the system, if you say me the question, I'll ask the question here. If you want me to ask your question, please say the question. I'll ask the question here.
Comparatively, profit of Canada and another countries in November month.
Compare profit of
Canada country November month versus choose any country of that same month.
compare profit of Canada and USA in November. Okay.
Correct. Okay, sir.
The total profit they got is 275.55K. So it shows total profits. So now I want to view financials sorted by date. So date wise, if you want to show, so if I give this information, it shows all the product, discount band, unit sold, manufacturing sale, price, discount sale, profit, month number. So you can see date wise, September 1, 2013, October, November, December, Jan, Feb. Clear? So I've asked the system to sort financials by date wise. So you can see every date I have here. Ninth, and October is 10th month. Clear? Got it? So if you want to get more visualizations, here you'll be finding an option. So you can see once again, you have get more visuals. Click on that and click on import a visual from a file. So if you have any visuals under your system, you can also import that from your system. Or else you want to get it from online, click on get more visuals. So the moment to click on get more visuals, okay, it will ask you to provide your email ID. So you can directly provide your email ID there. Okay. Just give me 1 second, guys. It's not taking my mail ID here. The moment you give your mail ID, or else if you're already signed in, so here we'll be having a sign in option. If you have been signed in, directly it shows you then a path to download your visualizations. Right now, due to some technical issues, it's not accessing my mail. Clear? Hello?
Sir, clear, sir.
So is there anyone having doubts?
Sir, after visualization, how to save the visualization report and how can share to others? And one more thing, have you said that
One by one we'll go. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So saving option is clear, right? Save as, click on that and provide your, see, my file has been saved. Got it? Clear? You have publish option here, publish to Power BI. So here you can give any of your mail IDs. Okay. Right now my sign is not working, right? That's the reason it is asking me to sign in. Okay. The moment you provide your details, the person's mail ID, what you want to share, okay, automatically it shares to the mail IDs. Clear? If you want to export some file, you can click on this export. If you want to export it as a Power BI template, you can share this template. Or else if you want to export it as a PDF file, you can click on this export. Only this particular page alone will be exported, not entire thing. Only the report what you're seeing here, that alone will be exported into PDF. Got it? Clear?
Sir, there is one doubt.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
If in Excel there can be multiple sheets, so can we take the data from multiple sheets at the same time?
That's what I
Because
want to
sometimes
ask
we
you.
get the data,
Moment.
sales data on another sheet, and like gross sales on another sheet, profit on another sheet, like that guys.
That's what. Which are the tools you want to, I mean, which are the data you want to visualize? Okay. Make that into a file. Okay.
Okay.
Then if you upload that file, then it shows all the sheets which are available with the name.
Okay.
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 Then
Okay.
you can select which are the things you want to visualize.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Clear?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any more? Remaining?
There is an option import and get data. So can you go to left side menu? Yes, so there is import and get data. So what is the difference between import and get data?
You can see the information. Import contents from an existing file. If I have any
Okay,
existing file or template, I can import that. Right now,
okay.
the sign-in option is not working properly, right? That's the reason I couldn't able to do anything. So from my data, I can import my file, already worked file. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to the get data means you have some source file with you, right? SQL database, Oracle database, MySQL database, Azure, right?
Okay. 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 So getting data from a database, right?
Yes, database or else any web base, any kind of thing it might be.
Okay. 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 And in case of import, we can import any data from Excel or whatever we have.
CSV files also it will accept.
Yes. Yes.
JSON, XML, text or CSV,
Hmm.
folder, PDF, Paraquet, SharePoint folder, SQL, Access database.
So in case of get data, we can get data from these databases, right?
Yes,
So we have SQL Server, Oracle, IBM DB2.
plenty of
Okay.
options is available.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Any more?
Sir, you said hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, you said that one chance to get the refresh the data. What it means exactly, sir? Existing data we can refresh means any column or add.
So now this is the data which have been got, right? And this is the
700 rows.
visualization. This is the visualization which have been done so far. So you can
Correct, sir.
see, get the latest data by refreshing all visualizations in this report. Whatever the things so far we have been done, it will store in your Power BI storage
Okay.
just for backup purpose. Like for suppose by mistakenly you have been close your file unsaving. Okay, again your report will be collapse, right?
Lost, correct.
So this refresh data, what it does is, till whatever the reports have been generated so far, it will store in your 1 GB of data. Clear? Are you clear now? Still any more doubts? The explanation part is done and the tool I've been shown you, right? So if you want to do copy paste, cut, anything you can do. Okay. So you can go for new visuals also. If you want to get more visualizations, you can go with more. If you want to get a new visualization, either you can click on this or else you can select from here. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So have you got the aware of the Power BI, like how to grab the data and how to visualize? As theoretical part, have you got that idea? Hello? My end, I've been done. If you have any doubts, you can clarify now.
Sir, how frequently we use, as in BA, how frequently they use this Power BI?
Very
And
rare.
Like
2% of chance.
very rarely. Okay. And in future, like as we go in hierarchy, upper hierarchy, do we need to learn Power BI in depth?
See, for service-oriented companies, we never require this all. Either it might go bigger levels. Like project manager means he has to handle some of the reports, right? Like what is the budget he has got, how much has been spended. So he required some base kind of a thing, not exact writing the code and generating the program. It's not like that. Okay. The one who wants to get as a data analytics, okay, the one who wants to be data analyst, they require this knowledge.
Okay.
Anyone else? Hello?
No, sir.
All clear?
Yes, sir.
Remaining?
Yes, sir.
So shall I end the session?
Yes, yes. At the end, we can get the PDF and the recording, right?
Yes. So far, whatever have been discussed of the day class and whatever the PDF have been shown you, these all the things will be shared to your registered mail IDs. So the moment
Fine.
if you're not reached, okay, please kindly once check in your spam messages also. If still you have not got, then you can reach out regarding this PDF as well as video with student coordinator.
Okay.
Clear?
There is one option called modeling. What is that option? On the top, we have an option called modeling.
Sir, can I leave, sir?
Yeah, if you got the knowledge, you can leave.
Okay, thank you
If
so
you
much.
want to, yeah, thank you. If you want to add a new table, like as I said, like if you want to copy paste some data from your files, okay, you require a new table, right? So you can click on this new table and you can copy paste your data into this. Okay. For the new data, I can copy paste here. Okay. If you have your own data with you. Clear? Create a new table by typing or pasting in a new content. You can see a new table you can create If you want to type your
Okay.
own all the data, you can type it, or else if you have your own data, you can copy paste your data and you can start visualizing the data.
So from SQL Server backend, we can directly connect to SQL Server and get the data from
Yes.
SQL.
For that, you have to provide your server name. There'll be some.
Yeah, that connection. You have to create a connection between that.
Yes. It'll ask you the server and the database.
You
Okay.
have to provide credentials to connect to
Yes.
that.
And you press on OK, it will take you there. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Fine then. Hope so. Clarify your doubts. So I'm ending the session. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. Be safe and do good. Any doubt?
Thank you so much for your time.
So generally, what are the interview questions regarding Power